What it do, YouTube? Hey man, little late night vlog. God dang. Hope all parties all right in that situation. But yeah, man, just a little quick little driving video, just to get a little, you feel me? Just a little something while before I go home and record my 2K stuff. So just a little something to get us A to Z, B to A, all around town. Throw it down. But man, hope y'all been doing all right, man. Really can't lie, I'm really grateful and blessed. I got the moonroof open, so you hear wind. I got the wind thing on my mic, but just in case you hear wind, that's what it is. But man, truly blessed, man. What's going on in the world? A lot of stuff. Van Fleet starting point guard for Houston Rockets towards ACL. Leslie, I heard, was doing workouts. So they started media day for most teams today, and I think some yesterday. And yeah, wish the best for him. A healthy recovery. I know what it feels like to tear your ACL. I tore mine back in 2016. Long story short, or long story longer, I was hooping. Really, I wasn't even planning on hooping, I don't think. Like, I didn't bring no shoes with me or nothing. I was just, you feel me? I came chilling after work. I had on some jogging pants and some Jordan 1s and a t-shirt. I didn't bring nothing extra. Well, I might have did, but I was like, these dudes suck, so I'm not about to play. So they was talking stuff, and my homie was like, bet something. Hey, Larry, come be on my team. They trying to bet some money. Say less. We know how it is when Larry and money get on the line in basketball. Man, I'm doing them. Like, they couldn't stop me. Had dude hot. Dude was a football player too. I had him hot, because he the one that was betting the money with my homie. And nobody on the team could guard me. I think I had 12 out of the 16 points. I probably only missed one shot throughout the whole game. And look, this is no warm-up or nothing. And I'm like not taking them serious, because again, I'm still in my jogging pants and Jordan 1s. And it's a low-top Jordan 1s. And I still got them too. And I can describe them. They are gray with black lining and then pink at the bottom. Still got them. Still got the pants I tore my ACL in too. But, so they couldn't stop me. So I get a steal or something, or a rebound. I'm gone. Fast break. I did a Euro. Got past the first dude. The football player ran over me when I did the Euro. Like, he came from behind me and just ran me over. Like, God, this is not football, sir. So my knee didn't feel right, and I walked to the side, and I was in pain, but it was like tolerable pain for me. I had a high pain tolerance. I walked over, sat down, got up. I tried to run. I'm like, nah, it don't feel right. Sat for a little minute, then I left out. I was limping while I was walking, but you feel me? I'm thinking like, man, hopefully a sprained knee. Next day, my knee was swole. I mean, swollen, like it like a knot. I think I went to work the next day, and I went to the doctor afterwards. They did x-rays. Said, oh, you look fine. Give it about a week. It might be just a sprained knee, but I don't see nothing wrong with your knee. Give it a week. Try to go out there and play basketball again in a week. I'm like, oh man, it's high hopeful. Like, just a baby or sprained knee, and I be good in a week. Man, a week went by. Hey, my knee shifting. It's like it's moving around. Like I try to do like a light little sprint, it's moving. So I hit up my primary doctor. Hey, I went. They said the X-rays. They say ain't see nothing wrong, but my knee is like, it's not right. Something's wrong. Left. Messaged them. They scheduled an appointment like a month later. Not a month later, like a couple weeks later for an MRI. They like, yep, they sent me something. Yep, you got a torn ACL. Here go your options. So, oh man, I'm scared. So went weigh my. Oh man, they opened this back up. It used to be closed. They said surgery or no surgery, you just not gonna be able to play. Ended up waiting a couple months. So it happened in July to my ACL. Had the MRI done in August. I ended up planning surgery for December. So it actually gave me, I want to say the month before, I was like working it out. Like I was getting on the bike and stuff. I couldn't run or nothing, but I could get on the bike. So I did it, got on the bike, just, build some type of muscles up around the leg before surgery. I wouldn't say it helped, and I get to that later on, by actually doing like pre-surgery rehab on your knee. So, had the surgery in December. My last PT thing was in April, so within a little bit over 4 months, I was done with PT. I got cleared for 70%, to go 70% in basketball a week after I had to test out of PT. So I had to, it's like a little window. They want your right leg to be in. Well, your bad leg versus your good leg, or surgery leg versus non-surgery leg. So they make you do tests on both to see what is the range. And some stuff, I beat my non-injured leg with the previously injured leg. And they was like, they never seen somebody be able to get through rehab this quick. And they said, don't go tell nobody because this is not normal. But it's probably, I was young. I was 23, 24 when I completed the rehab. So, yeah. That's my ACL story. Oh, greenhouse. But yeah. And what is it? Tatum saying he don't believe he will be out the whole season. He's rehabbing 6 days a week. So we'll see if he do return to the court. But I appreciate y'all riding with me on this journey. I'm about to, rock with some music for the rest of the ride. I'm about to go record some 2K videos for tomorrow. And make sure you like and hit that subscribe button. I'm going to catch you next time. Godspeed.